Hi, everyone. Today, I want to tell you about why I have so much passion about healthy lifestyle through health habits. When I was a child, when I was in elementary school, I was a little bit on the heavier side, and my friends used to call me a little eggplant. As I became older and I was a teenager, I didn't like that label. So I started going on these different diets, all the fad diets that was coming my way. I would go on them. I would lose the weight. I would go back, gain the weight until I was about 18 years of age. And then I thought, I'm tired of it. I want to maintain my weight. So I learned how to manage my exercise, the amount of exercise I do, and the amount of food that I eat, and the type of food that I eat to be able to maintain my diet. Fast forward when I came to the USA and I went to the grocery stores, I was overwhelmed of all these different brands of, for example, I was in an cereal aisle and all these boxes, and which one to choose? I was really confused. And I started reading all these nutritional facts, all these ingredients on these cereal boxes, and I learned that in fact they're all pretty much the same. And unfortunately, the nutritional value is very low in almost all of them. And fast forward when I had my own children and they had all these chronic issues that they had to deal with. One of them was asthma, allergies, and I had to heal them from all these ailments. I started digging in and I started to learn how to heal with food and right approach and right lifestyle intervention. And that's how I became so passionate. And I thought my mission in life is to teach you what I learned in my journey, healing my children and getting them to where they are now, the past 16, 17 years.